Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI tutorial. In the previous lecture, we built our data model and learned how to connect the primary and the foreign key. And based on the primary and foreign key, we built our relationship between these tables. So in today's lecture, we have what is the Star and Snowflake schemas. Star schema, when you have fact table, the fact table, this is like a numerical data. For example, order date, this we have the product key, territory key, and is surrounding by dimensional tables. Dimensional tables like this is contain descriptive data. As for example, you have country, region, and etc. So this is called the star schemas, and they named the star because it look like a star. So you can do it like a star. You connect this one in the middle, and you build this one like that, and you build this one like that, so showing like a star in the middle. But no need to do that. It's okay to keep it as it is. So it's built like a star, but it's okay to keep it like so it's easy. You can see when I apply everything. And we have also Snowflake schema. So in the previous lecture, we connect all these tables together based on the primary and secondary key. And this is the star schemas. The Snowflake schemas, when you have descriptive data, this is dimensional data and subdimensional data. We have a product, this is the primary key, product subcategory key, and we have the product subcategory key. We can just drag it like that, as we learned in the previous lecture, and keep it like that. You have the product subcategory with the product subcategory. Within the product, this is the primary key, and this is the foreign key in here. I was gonna click save. So you build this relationship between product subcategory key and product subcategory key. We have in here product category key and product category key. These are connected. Gonna connect to each other. It's the same. Click OK. So these are the chain of the connection. Is called Snowflake schemas. You have this one. You have to keep the sales data in the middle, and then this one you keep it like you build it like a star, but it's the same. So this is called the star schema, and this is Snowflake schema. So now if you back and you select anything from, and for example, this is you remove the value, add value from this product subcategory lookup, name, you will have the names, key, you will have the key. That means you build the relationship between these data. So now all the relationship now is built. Now we have something is called active and active relationship. If you select, for example, this relationship, double click, it will go directly to this edit relationship. And if you back in here, you have make this relationship active. If you make this relationship active, that means you can use the tables. You can use the columns within these two tables. You can remove it from here and can cancel that. And also if you add another relationship, for example, you add this date to, let's gonna make this one bigger. We have stock date. Let's gonna add the date to the stock date. And if you go to the relationship from here and make this relationship active, click save, you will have an error because you already have in a previous relationship. You already have this previous relationship between the date and the order date. If you need to add another relationship between date and stock date, you will have to delete this one. So you have to click right here and delete this relationship, and then you can go from this stock date to the date and make this relationship active. Click save, and now you have this relationship is active. So within Power BI, you cannot add two relationship. If you add two more relationship between two tables, you have to deactive the previous relationship and active the one. So you can deactive and active whatever you like. So if you back this date to the order date, we have this is order date. If you back it in here, order date, you make this one active, you'll have received this error. So I'm going to remove this one and easy delete and drag this data to the order date, make this one active. Okay, so this is how to check your data, the relationship between your data, if it's active or not active. We have another thing, it's called cardinality. So if you check in here, you see all the data within cardinality describe the relationship between your columns, between your tables, from one to many. All the cardinality in the Power BI, it is the relationship from one to many. This is one instance of a primary key to many instance of foreign key. That means you have only one value for each rows for a primary key, one relationship, and to many foreign key. That means many instance of repeated values. All these relationship in here is called the cardinality is one to many. You can check that easily. Just click on this relationship, the lines, double click, and you can see from here many to one cardinality. And also you can go from properties in here and you can see this is many to one relationship. So many to one to one relationship, one to many relationship is the same. You will have one, the primary key is connected to many foreign key. One primary key connected to many foreign key. One primary key to many, one to many relationship. And you can check it from here. This is many to one relationship. Also, you can make this relationship active instead of going click on here and deactivate it from here. You come back to the properties and you can just make this relationship. You can just deselect this one and you can back it, make this relationship active or not. So this is the principles that you need to understand in this lecture. What is the cardinality? How to deactivate or active some kind of your tables. And also these are called the star schemas and this is the snowflake schemas. So you have all the tables now is connected and is ready for analysis. So thank you for watching. It's a very long course going step by step. We provide everything that you know about the Power BI. Please subscribe and leave me any comment and see you in the next video.